Alright y'all, here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix a slow printing printer on a Windows PC. These steps cover the most common causes of slow printing and are designed for most printers, whether they're connected via USB, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. How to fix a slow printing printer on a PC Windows. Step 1. Check your printer connection. If you're using USB, try plugging the printer into a different USB port. For Wi-Fi, make sure the signal is strong, and go ahead and move closer to the router if you need to. And for Ethernet, just ensure the cable is securely connected. Weak connections, especially over Wi-Fi, are a common cause of slow printing. Step 2. Restart your printer and PC. Go ahead and turn off both the printer and your computer completely. Wait about 30 seconds just to be sure. Then turn them back on and try printing again. Sometimes this simple step can clear up minor glitches. Step 3. Update or reinstall your printer driver. Press Windows and X together, then select Device Manager. Next, expand the Printer section, right-click your printer, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If no update is found, head over to the manufacturer's website like HP, Canon, or Brother, and download the latest driver from there. Outdated drivers, well, they can really affect your printer's performance and speed. Alright, step 4 is to check your print spooler settings. Go ahead and press the Windows key and R together, then type in services.msc and hit enter. Now, scroll down until you find Print Spooler, right-click on it, and select Restart. After that, double-click it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Next up, step 5 is to reduce your print quality settings. High quality or photo printing can really slow things down. So, open up the control panel and go to Devices and Printers. Right-click your printer and select Printing Preferences. Then look for the Print Quality or Paper/Quality tab and change the setting to Draft or Standard mode. For step 6, let's clear the print queue. Start by opening the control panel and heading to Devices and Printers. Double-click your printer and then cancel all the pending jobs. Sometimes a jammed print queue is the reason your printing is delayed. Step 7. Check for firmware updates. Head over to the printer manufacturer's website, find your specific model, and download the latest firmware. Just follow the on-screen instructions to get it installed. Step 8. Use a different application. Sometimes, the program you're printing from is actually the problem. Try printing from another app, like WordPad or Adobe Reader, to see if your speed improves. Step 9. Switch from WSD to TCP/IP port if you're using a network printer. Go to Devices and Printers, right-click your printer, and select Printer Properties. Then head to the Ports tab. If you see it's using WSD, try adding a new standard TCP/IP port instead. Click Add Port, choose Standard TCP/IP port, and enter your printer's IP address. So just so y'all know, WSD can be slower than direct TCP/IP communication. Step 10. Disable bidirectional support. Right-click your printer, then select Printer Properties. Next, go to the Ports tab. Uncheck Enable bidirectional support. Some older printers, actually work faster without this enabled. Bonus tip here. Perform maintenance. Check for low ink or toner. Slow printing can happen if your printer is trying to adjust for low supplies. And don't forget to clean the print heads or rollers, which you can usually find in your printer's menu or software. Would you like help specific to your printer brand, like HP, Epson, or Brother? I can tailor the instructions even more just for you.